We'll use the small ball to release tension in your upper back and shoulders. So we'll begin with the knees bent, feet onto the floor. Lie back to place the ball in your upper back. In between the shoulder blades, as you lay back, interlace all 10 fingers behind your head. We'll start this seesaw action, one elbow down, then the other. So just begin to sway over the ball left and right. If it feels like the ball is too high or too low, feel free to shift. Notice the expansion of the rib cage and think about breathing horizontally into the ribs. We'll start another action here to release tension in the upper back. So keeping your hands behind your head as if they're a hammock for the weight of your skull. Draw your elbows toward one another and pick yourself up just enough. And then go right back, elbows nice and wide. Again, exhale to lift and round up. Inhale to come back and down. 3 more times. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. See if you can bring some rocking motion, as if you could move the ball with the effort. And then allow yourself to rest here. Elbows nice and wide. Give the ball a squeeze with your shoulder blades. Soften your shoulders and again, take a deep breath into your rib cage. Rock away from the ball. Take it aside and let yourself settle for a moment. Feel the difference in the back of the shoulders.